everybody, welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Melissa and I'm so happy you could join me for this Toddler Time today. You ready to get started? We're going to start with our welcome song. Ready? Here we come now to story time, to story time, to story time. Here we come now to story time, so early in the morning. And this is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands, so early in the morning. And this is the way we stomp our feet, stomp our feet, stomp our feet. This is the way we stomp our feet, so early in the morning. And this is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello, so early in the morning. All right, are you ready for our first story for today? Today's first story is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Ready? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a very tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, our caterpillar had a stomach ache. Poor caterpillar. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and he felt much better after that. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar either. He was a great big caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself, and he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he had become a beautiful butterfly. The end. All right, so that was our first story for today. So now, can we sing a song together? Can we sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider? Are you ready? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. All right, are you ready for our second story for today? This story is called Up, Down, and Around by Catherine Ayres. Ready? In the dirt we'll dig a row, drop some seeds and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go down. Water splashes around and around. Corn grows up. Carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around. Peppers grow up. Potatoes grow down. Pumpkins vine around and around. Broccoli grows up. Beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Okra grows up. Onions grow down. Tomatoes twine around and around. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. The end. Nice job with that story. All right, so now we've got a rhyme. Are you ready? There's something in my garden. I wonder what it could be. There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny noise. Woof, woof, woof. Let's see. A dog is what I see. Let's go woof, woof, woof. Let's see, who else could be in our garden? There's something in my garden. I wonder what it could be. There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny noise. Meow, meow. A cat is what I see. Meow, meow. All right, what else could be in our garden? There's something in my garden. I wonder what it could be. There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny noise. Hop, hop, hop. A bunny is what I see. It goes hop, hop, hop. All right, there's one last animal in our garden. You ready? There's something in my garden. I wonder what it could be. There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny noise. Squeak, squeak, squeak. A mouse is what I see. Squeak, squeak, squeak goes our mouse. Squeak, squeak. All right, that was all the animals in our garden. So are you ready for our next story for today? This story is called Butterfly, Butterfly. One day, Lucy saw a beautiful butterfly. She played with it and chased it all around the garden. The next day, Lucy couldn't find the butterfly anywhere. Do you see it anywhere in the garden? I don't see it anywhere. But she did find a pink earthworm wiggling along the ground. See, there's our worm. Wiggle, wiggle. A brown spider busy spinning her web. Oh, that's a big spider. Then Lucy discovered a green beetle and a family of very spotty red ladybugs scurrying around. All of our bugs. She saw a snail with an orange shell slithering. Here's our snail. 3 purple caterpillars munching on a leaf. And a shimmering blue dragonfly. And a yellow bee with a stripe buzzing around. Buzz. But Lucy didn't see the butterfly anywhere. She looked and looked. Lucy lay down in the cool grass to wait. Then high in the sky, there it was, her colorful, beautiful butterfly. There it is, fluttering around. The end. Nice job with our story. So that was our last story for today. So now we just have our goodbye song. Are you ready? Our hands say thank you with a clap, clap, clap. Our feet say thank you with a tap, tap, tap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. We roll our hands around and wave goodbye. Bye, everybody. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.